Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to If you want to speak Arabic so fast, make sure that you subscribe our channel. Let's start. Today we will learn the most important Arabic phrases. Let's start. Yes. نعم. No. لا. Good morning. صباح الخير. Good evening. مساء الخير. I am sorry for mail. أنا آسف. I'm sorry for female. أنا آسفة. Thank you. شكرا. You are welcome. عفوا. Please. من فضلك. I am fine. أنا بخير. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed our lesson today and wait for our next video. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. Thank you and goodbye. مع السلامة.